Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll continue my series where I make a video about every airplane ever built, at least according to Wikipedia. Rules are in the first video, the one about the i3 Skyrim. Anyways, in this video I'm going to tell you about the 3X55 Trener. Let's talk about it. The 3X55 Trener and 3X47 Ultra are a family of ultralight aircraft produced in Poland by the 3Xtrim aircraft factory. Both are two-seat high-wing strut-braced monoplanes with fixed tricycle undercarriage and available only as complete aircraft. There are also 450 Ultra and 495 Ultra plus subvariants of the 3X47 Ultra, with gross weights adjusted for national ultralight regulations. The US light sport aircraft version of the 3X55 is known as the Navigator 600 and has a 1,320 pound maximum gross takeoff weight. The company behind the aircraft is the 3Xtrim company. No, sorry, 3Xtrim, not 3Xtrim. 3Xtrim take their company name from a double entendre, I don't know what that word is, as they refer to their design being triple trimmed during the design prototype and production stages, and also that the aircraft is designed for extreme conditions. In English, the company name is pronounced 3Xtrim. The designation 3X55 means 3 extreme aircraft, 550 kg gross weight, while the 3X47 refers to its 470 kg gross weight. Former SZD sailplane engineer Adam Kurbile designed the predecessor of the 3X55, the EOL line VLA, to conform to European JAR line VLA rules. That plane was modified through the years to meet Canadian advanced ultralight and US light sport aircraft rules. The 3X47 or 47 version is specifically for the European market to meet those standards. The European versions feature extensive structural use of carbon fiber to achieve lightness, while the 3X55 is predominantly of fiberglass construction. Otherwise, the two aircraft are similar in appearance and performance. The 3X55 first flew in 1996, and by the summer of 2006 about 60 aircraft of both types had been produced. Now it's time for specifications. These specifications are for the 55. It has a wingspan of 10 meters, it has a length of 6.8 meters, it has a height of 2.4 meters, it has a maximum takeoff weight of 0.6 tons, it has a fuel capacity of 60 liters. I don't know if I read that right, though. It has a maximum range of 400 nautical miles. It can seat 2 people. It has a takeoff distance of 250 meters. Its landing distance is the same. It has a max altitude of 13,000 feet. Its optimal max altitude is 10,000 feet. It has a maximum speed of 116 knots. Its optimal max speed is 80 knots. It has a maximum climb rate of 880 feet per minute. And that's enough specifications. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.